Understanding narration styles, enhancing your English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of narration styles in the English language. Understanding these styles can greatly enhance your storytelling skills, whether in writing or speaking. Let's explore what makes each style unique and how they can enrich your English language journey. Narration style refers to the method and perspective used by a narrator to tell a story. It's the voice that speaks to the audience, and it can change the entire feel of a story. Understanding narration styles helps in both comprehending texts and creating your own narratives effectively. In first-person narration, the story is told from the perspective of a character within the story, often the protagonist. Phrases like, "I felt," or "we went," are common. This style provides a personal and intimate experience, allowing readers or listeners to see the world through the character's eyes. This style directly addresses the reader or listener as you. It's less common but can be very engaging and immersive. It creates a sense of involvement, as if you're part of the story. Third-person narration uses he, she, or they. It can be omniscient, where the narrator knows all thoughts and feelings of every character, or limited, focusing only on one character's perspective. This style offers more flexibility in storytelling. Selecting the right style depends on the story you want to tell. First person creates intimacy, second person involves the audience, and third person offers a broader view. Think about what perspective best serves your story's purpose. Understanding narration styles opens up new ways to engage with English texts and helps you become a better storyteller. Experiment with these styles in your writing and speaking, and see how they transform your narratives. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.